Fluent Flow Podcast, Episode 61. Why Live a Simple Life?
Hi, I'm Sara.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome to the Fluent Flow Podcast.
It's great to have you with us today.
Today, we have a really interesting topic for our deep dive. It's Episode 61, Why Live a Simple Life?
And we will use simple words to talk about this big idea.
That's right.
We want to talk about things like peace and routine. This will help you learn new vocabulary in a very easy and calm way.
Exactly. We will talk slowly and repeat important words like simple life.
A simple life. Let's begin.
So, to start, there's a popular phrase people use. They say, less is more.
Right. Less is more.
And, that can sound a little confusing at first.
It really can.
It's like, how can less be more? If I have less chocolate cake, I feel, less happy.
Right. But it's not about things like that. Simplicity is really about cutting out clutter.
Clutter? What is clutter?
Clutter is all the extra stuff that you don't need.
So, like, too many clothes in my closet.
Yes, that's physical clutter.
Yeah.
But there's also clutter in our minds, in our lives.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It's important to say what a simple life is not.
Okay.
It is not about deprivation. That means it's not about having nothing.
Right. It's not about living like a hermit all alone in a cave.
Exactly. Or, counting every single penny you spend. That can be stressful too.
So, if it's not about that, what is the real goal? What are we trying to get?
The real goal is clarity.
Clarity.
A simple life means having more clarity about what truly matters to you.
Okay, so it helps you see what is important in your own life?
Think about this. How many times last week did you say yes to something you did not want to do?
Oh, that's a good question. Probably a few times.
That's a kind of clutter too, schedule clutter.
I see. So living a simple life helps you choose better.
It does. It helps you find what enough means for you.
Enough?
Yes. You are the only expert on your own life. Only you know what is enough.
So I don't need to chase after everything. Every new phone, every new fashion.
Exactly. When you stop chasing everything, you gain space.
Space in your home.
Space in your home, yes, but also space in your mind. Room to breathe.
When we say simple life, we mean a life with less stress.
Yes. A life with fewer things to worry about. That is a simple life.
And that gives you that clarity we talked about.
That's the key. Clarity and less stress.
Now, this idea, it's not new, right? A lot of great thinkers from long ago loved simplicity.
Oh, absolutely. It's a very old idea.
Yeah.
We can go back to ancient Greece. There was a philosopher named Epicurus.
Epicurus, I've heard that name.
Well, he believed that real happiness comes from enjoying simple pleasures.
Simple pleasures, what did that mean for him?
For him, a good day was very simple. A loaf of bread, some water, and a nice chat with friends.
That's it. No expensive things.
No. He thought expensive things could actually bring unhappiness.
How?
Because you start craving them. You always want more, and you worry about losing what you have.
I see. So his key idea was that if you limit what you want, you can be truly happy.
Exactly. You aren't disappointed because you don't need all those luxurious things.
That makes sense. It sounds very peaceful.
It is. And then there were the Stoics. They were another group of ancient philosophers.
The Stoics. Okay,
Yeah.
What did they think?
They believed that true happiness comes from within, from your mind, not from material possessions.
And not from the things you own.
Right. For them, things like a nice house or nice clothes were, they were okay to have.
Yeah.
But they weren't important for your happiness.
So they also believed in limiting what we want.
Yes. Their idea was if you don't want much, you are never disappointed. You avoid the pain of not getting what you want.
It's all about what's happening inside your head, not outside.
That's the core of it. Happiness from within.
Okay. And the outline also mentions the Buddha.
The Buddha's teaching was all about finding balance. He called it the middle path.
The middle path.
Yes. So not extreme luxury, but also not extreme austerity. Not too much and not too little.
So finding what's just right.
Just right. There's a simple example for this. Imagine you need a car.
Okay.
You could buy a very flashy, expensive sports car. That's one extreme.
Right.
Or you could choose a practical car that uses less fuel. It's not flashy, but it gets you where you need to go. It's just enough.
That second one sounds like the middle path.
It is. It's about balance. Choosing what is useful and simple, not what is extreme.
So all of these ancient thinkers, they all found that simple pleasures and balance lead to a happier life.
That's the common idea. A life with less chasing and more peace.
So let's bring this idea to today, to modern life.
Okay.
We hear a lot about modern minimalism.
Minimalism, it's become very popular.
And it's more than just cleaning your house, right? It's a way of life.
It is. A minimalist writer, Joshua Becker, says the first step is to get rid of everything you don't want.
And when you do that, it feels good. It's like deleting old emails from your computer.
Yes. That feeling, it's a wave of calm. You feel lighter.
So getting rid of stuff can actually reduce our stress.
It absolutely can. Think about the stress of stuff, our possessions.
Yeah.
They often cause stress. Well, you worry about them. You have to clean them, maintain them, or maybe you worry about getting a newer, better model.
True. That phone that's only a year old suddenly feels old.
Exactly. And that is mental clutter.
Ah, that word again. Clutter.
Right.
Yeah.
It doesn't just take up physical space in your house. It clogs up your mental space.
It fills up your mind with worries.
It does. It is hard to feel calm when you cannot find your keys under a pile of things.
I know that feeling.
A simple life is like a clean, open field. There's room to breathe, room to think, and room to relax.
I like that image, an open field. It sounds so peaceful.
And that peace helps you find something called JOMO.
JOMO. I've heard of FOMO. The fear of missing out.
Right. JOMO is the opposite. It's the joy of missing out.
The joy of missing out. Tell me more about that.
It's the happiness you feel from not cramming your schedule with endless events
Oh, okay.
and not trying to keep up with every new gadget or trend. You find joy in being still, in being quiet.
So you can practice it by just saying, no, thank you.
Yes. You can say, no, thank you. I'm just enjoying the sunshine today. You choose peace over being busy.
And this all connects to learning, right? To focus.
It really does. Simplicity helps so much with learning and focus.
How does that work?
Well, when you stop focusing on all of life's noise, all the distractions, you gain focus.
You have more mental energy.
Exactly. Your mind isn't so full and busy. Simplicity gives you space to be present.
And being present is important for learning anything new.
It's essential. It makes learning easier because your mind is calm. It's focused on the task.
So a simple life means less stress, more calm, and better focus.
That's the benefit. A calm mind learns best. A simple routine helps create that calm.
So to bring it all together, what is the main message here?
I think the main message is that simple living is about discovery.
Discovering what?
You discover your own values, what is truly important to you, and you discover your own definition of enough.
So it's very personal.
Very personal. And when you do that, you gain purpose. You gain a feeling of control over your own life.
Instead of letting the world control you with ads and trends.
Exactly. You are in the driver's seat. You choose where to put your energy and your focus.
It's a really powerful idea. Living a simple life gives you more, not less.
More peace, more clarity, and more focus.
Thank you so much for this deep dive. It was really clear.
Thank you to our listeners for joining us today. We hope it was helpful.
Thank you for listening to the Fluent Flow podcast.
See you in the next episode.